E-invoicing was implemented in India with the purpose to reduce tax evasion. E-invoicing facilitates real-time availability of data with tax officials and reduces the scope of issue of fake invoices. Moreover, it allows government to authenticate invoices on the Invoice Registration Portal or IRP, and thus only genuine input tax credits can be claimed by the taxpayers. ITC is ineligible in the hands of the recipient if the proper e-invoice is not issued by its vendors to whom e-invoicing is applicable. So it is very important for a taxpayer to check whether the vendor is compliant with e-invoicing norms or not. The e-invoicing system is being implemented in a phased manner where taxpayers with turnover more than Rs 50 crore are currently subject to it. Sooner or later it shall apply to all taxpayers with turnover more than Rs 5 crore with exceptions too. Hence, it is important for GST registered buyers and customers to verify if their vendors are e-invoicing compliant or not. Hi everyone, I'm Annapurna, tax expert from ClearTax. Let's find out how and in what ways buyers can verify the authenticity of invoices and their vendors are e-invoicing compliant or not. Coming to the first of the facilities that you can use, e-invoicing portal or IRP has a facility that allows anyone to download list of GSTINs that are subject to e-invoicing and also comply with it. Go to Search tab on the home page. Thereafter click on GSTINs Generating IRN option from the drop-down. You can observe that the list is regularly updated by the NIC, seeing the date. Click on Download button to download the list of GSTINs in Excel format. You can look out for the particular GSTIN whether or not is listed on the Excel. I have left a direct link to the portal in the description box below. Don't forget to check it out. An alternative way to check if a particular GSTIN is e-invoicing enabled on the e-invoice portal is by using the facility e-invoice status of taxpayers. The buyer must visit the e-invoice portal. He has to go to the search tab and select e-invoice status of taxpayer. Under the GSTIN, enter the GSTIN and CAPTCHA code. Click on Go button. You will get the status of e-invoice enablement of that particular GSTIN that you entered. This status is based on the turnover reported by the GSTIN in its GSTR 3D. However, it should be noted that the enablement status on the e-invoice portal doesn't mean e-invoicing is applicable to a particular taxpayer. If a particular category of taxpayer is exempt from e-invoicing, then the e-invoicing enablement status can be still ignored. I have also left the link to this facility in the description box below. Do check it out. Apart from the ways that I just mentioned now, a GST registered buyer must also be vigilant and from time to time must verify the correctness of invoice raised on him. He can check certain fields in the e-invoice to ensure that it is compliant, that is the invoice reference number. A taxpayer sends invoice information to the GSTN for validation. At this time, this field will be empty, but after verification by GSTN, an acknowledgement will be sent to the taxpayer along with the invoice reference number. Next is the QR code. The invoice and QR code should be digitally signed by the Invoice Registration Portal. Did you know that QR code verifying app is also available on the invoice portal? A valid QR code contains important invoice details such as the GSTIN of the supplier and buyer, invoice number, date of invoice generation, invoice value, HSN code, unique invoice reference number, and the digital signature of the IRP. A taxpayer as well as tax officer can validate details of an invoice through QR code. There are two ways to verify the e-invoice on the QR code offline app. That is scanning the QR code and uploading the JSON file. I will leave the link in the description below to download the app. Do check out the facility. Last on the list is supplier's GSTIN and legal name. These both have to be mentioned on the invoice. ClearTax provides you easy facility to search a particular GSTIN and verify if it's valid or not. I will leave the link to ClearTax GSTIN verifying tool in the description below. Do check it out. ClearTax e-invoicing is fast, dependable and affordable. Our solution provides the fastest and easiest way to generate an e-invoicing compliant invoice. We have come to the end of this video. If you found it useful, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit the bell icon to not miss out instant updates from the world of finance and taxation. If you have any queries pertaining to GST or e-invoicing, feel free to post them in the comment section below. We'll be happy to help you. Thank you.